Hi guys, welcome to another how-to video from the guys at Autobright Direct. So today we're going to be showing you how to apply our new ceramic shield product, which is called ceramic Magiseal. So this product is a water-based ceramic infused foam lance sealant. So you apply this through the foam lance like you would with a snow foam, and then what this will do is give you a really good hydrophobic layer. So it'll also protect as well for around about 2 to 3 months. The card that we're going to be showing to you on has been cleaned, but there's no previous protection on this, so the paintwork is completely flat. So Nick's now going to come and show you what the water behaviour is like before we apply the product. So as you can see, the water is clinging to the surface. There's no repellency there, there's no hydrophobic properties, it's completely dead. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix a smaller quantity of Magiseal than we normally do. So for a larger vehicle, you want to mix 200ml of Magiseal in with 800ml of water to make the litre of product. For the smaller vehicles like this, or small to medium sized vehicles, we're going to use 100ml of Magiseal and mix that with 400ml of water to make 500ml of product. So we've already got 400ml of water in this bottle. So now I'm just going to mix that up to make the 500ml of product. There we go. I'm going to pass that over to Nick, and Nick's now going to apply that to the vehicle. So while he's doing that, so Magiseal can be used as a standalone product. So if you've got a vehicle with no previous protection on there, you can apply Magiseal and use that just as your one and only protection if you want to, applying it regularly. Or you can apply it on top of an existing layer of protection. So if you've got a sealant or a wax on there, you can apply this on top as well. Or you can use it as part of the ceramic shield range. Okay, cheers Nick. So Magiseal hasn't got a dwell time as such. We normally leave it on for around about a couple of minutes. You can take it straight off if you want to. If you're using this in warmer temperatures, I would recommend applying it and then straight away rinsing it off as soon as you're finished. While we're just letting this dwell for a short while, a couple of frequently asked questions we get about Magiseal. Can I keep this product from week to week? You can't. Once this product's been mixed, it needs to be used. So that's why I recommend, if you're in a small car like this, only mixing up the half a litre of product that you're going to need to use. Right, okay, so it's been dwelling for around about a minute or so. Now Nick's going to come in and rinse it off, and we're going to see the hydrophobic properties that the Magiseal will leave on the paintwork. Right guys, so as you can see, it's left a nice hydrophobic layer behind on the paintwork. What this will also do is it will also aid in the self-cleaning properties of the vehicle as well. So the next time you come to wash it, whether you're using your ceramic shampoo to maintain it or whether you're using one of your normal pH neutral shampoos, it'll be much easier to clean. It will stop the dirt sticking to it as much as it would normally with unprepared paint or unprotected paint. So yeah, it's a fantastic product. We don't recommend using this regularly, so you don't need to use this weekly. If you've got a car that you are using this as your one and only method of protection, then you may be applying it every sort of 3 to 4 weeks. If you want a longer durability protection, you might want to consider using something like the ultra hybrid ceramic spray wax, which is part of the Ceramic Shield family as well, or something like Ballard, which is one of our ceramic infused paste waxes as well. So this will work really well with any product that we do in our range, but particularly well with the Ceramic Shield range of products. So if you haven't tried Magiseal, guys, get yourself down to the shop, pick up a bottle and give it a go. Thanks for watching.